I'm Jay Cohen, founder of Locomotion Fitness, and today we're gonna talk about a supplement called creatine. Probably something that you've heard of before, but maybe you don't know why you should take it or who should take it or what it's all about. So creatine is one of the safest, most studied supplements that are out there. And if you're going to take it, look for creatine monohydrate, and you're gonna take 5 grams a day at any time during the day in most use cases. Now, I'm not a doctor, I don't play one on the internet. Make sure you check with your doctor before you take or add any supplement to your routine. What creatine does, our muscles, when they contract, they use this muscular unit of energy called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And what creatine does is after the muscle contracts, we knock one of those phosphates off, and the phosphate combines with creatine. And you need the creatine molecule and the phosphate molecule together. And so that's what creatine does, is it provides a steady supply to your body of that creatine molecule so that it can connect some phosphates and you can have energy when your muscle contracts. So this is especially good for somebody that is doing very, very high weight or load intensity. So like 1 rep, 3 rep, 5 rep max type lifting. Also really, really good for long distance events. As your body uses all of that creatine, you've got some more available from an exogenous source.